was one of the biggest you've ever seen?
Oh yeah, for sure. That guy was huge.
All right, what do we got today?
Bandito scramble. 8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
One of the best so far. I chose to go with the banana smoothie. You know, gluten-free, packed with protein. The only thing is, this is what you're looking at when it's all said and done. It tastes as gross as it looks, to be honest with you. I would give this a 1 out of 10. If you have to eat something, you're gonna make this. Yeah, so trip's been good so far. We've dealt with the spoon scenario. We're now sharing. But the irony is Chris forgot his toothbrush.
Actually, I found it. No, I did, seriously.
Did you?
I did, I really did. I did find it, but I did forget my toothpaste.
So he's relying on me for my toothpaste. So we're making negotiations right now. I think I'm gonna get the spoon tonight for dinner, and he might be able to brush his teeth. It's kind of fair. All right, I'm gonna take a nap, and then hopefully a moose will be on this lake when I wake up. See you in a bit. All right, we just heard a moose enter the water, so we're gonna take off now. That was one of the biggest you've ever seen?
Oh yeah, for sure. That guy was huge. It was only in June, the end of June. So he's got 2 more months to grow those antlers. His antlers were beast mode. That guy was massive. He's gonna have like the iconic Canadian moose look in the fall. That is a huge animal.
That was awesome. The sky right now too looks unreal. That's another moose encounter for us. The stakeout paid off. That probably wraps it up for us. We're gonna get back to camp, get some sleep, and come back out here in the morning. Good morning. It is 4:45. We're getting up, we're getting packed. We're gonna head out onto the lake. Let's go check in with Chris. How you doing?
I feel drunk.
Yeah.
Basically, haven't had any alcohol, but I basically feel drunk. I don't know if I can get behind the paddle of a canoe safely, but we're just gonna do it anyways.
It's early, eh?
Oh man.
Yeah. But it's gonna be worth it. We've got mist this morning, which looks unreal. Let the journey begin. Beautiful sunrise this morning. How many photos do you think you got from that?
Well, maybe a couple hundred, or maybe 15 users, you know? It's an opportunity just in front of you, you know?
Yeah, just look at this.
Let's get in there.
All right.
The moose is real wet.
We're getting in there. We're gonna go find a moose in this. We spotted a moose in this fog. It's beautiful. wrapping up, we're gonna take in the last few moments here on the lake. What an incredible experience that just was. Man, that was awesome. Glad I could share that with you guys. Any final thoughts? All right. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. Bringing you epic content like this in the middle of Algonquin, just us and some moose. Anyways, that is all. Until the next video, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah, cheers. The frogs make so many noises out here. What?